My name is Nia Keith, and I'm one of the co-founders of the Professionals of Color in the Environment, also known as POSSE. We're a collaboration of BIPOC professionals working in the environmental field across various different agencies, nonprofits, schools, and institutions. And our goal is to support the growth of professionals of color doing the work in the environment in lots of different areas.
This summer, Posse came together for a career panel with 30 extraordinary high school students from schools in Roxbury, Dorchester, and Canton. For a month, this group had worked tirelessly conducting studies on extreme heat and urban heat islands in Roxbury as part of a UMass Boston Urban Planning and Community Development and UMass Boston Sustainable Solutions Lab initiative, which built pipelines for BIPOC youth in urban planning. We were lucky to share our experiences with this amazing group, discuss winding career paths, inspirations, and the other trials and tribulations of being BIPOC in the environment in Massachusetts. Following the panel, we had the privilege of hearing the students present their research and offering support in preparation for their final presentations.
Hello, my name is Dr. Monique Cooper, and I'm the Assistant Vice Provost of the Academic and Career Engagement and Success Center. Our office oversees all of university career services, which include internship and experiential learning opportunities. We also support an integrated model of academic and career advising, whereby our students gain access to career development resources early and often in their academic career. One of the amazing partnerships that we've recently launched is a partnership with the City of Boston and the Mayor's team. We worked alongside Mayor Special Advisors to develop a comprehensive internship program where we were able to co-write the job description and look at major initiatives and goals in each department to give our students a holistic experience. Our students walked away with tremendous growth and opportunity to really understand the ins and outs of running a large city. We hope to continue this partnership for years to come and really advance the mission and initiatives of access and equity for our students.
My name is Amy Bowen. I am the Vice President of Marketing and Community Engagement at Harbor Health. Harbor Health is a nonprofit public health agency. We serve communities in Greater Boston, Southeastern Massachusetts, and all the way out through Cape Cod. We have several community health center locations, including Geiger-Gibson Community Health Center, which is located just down the street from UMass Boston. One of our more exciting partnerships that we have right now is with the Dorchester South Boston WIC program and a local farm. Together, we are running a farmers market that accepts SNAP so that everyone can have access to fresh produce this summer.
Hello, I'm Cedric Woods, citizen of the Lumbee Indian Tribe of North Carolina, and I'm also the director for the Institute for New England Native American Studies at UMass Boston. The mission of the Institute is to connect regional tribes and Native organizations with university innovation, education, and research. We recently co-sponsored and hosted a Native Health and Wellness convening at UMass Boston on September 28th. This event was the first time, in our knowledge, that a partnership and a convening as such has ever occurred with a state executive agency, tribal leaders, tribal organizations, and university partners. It was an opportunity for tribes and state administrators, medical and health providers, and educators such as myself to engage together and to really listen and to develop plans on how we can better improve health and wellness in Native communities in the Commonwealth.
Hi, my name is Ciara Cobb. I am the Senior Site Manager for the Jumpstart program here at UMass Boston, located in the Office of Student Leadership and Community Engagement. We partner with local preschools in the Dorchester community to close the education achievement gap. This year, we are partnering with the UMass Boston men's hockey team, the men's baseball team, and the women's soccer team to read our Read for the Record book with lots of love in our local preschools.
Hi, I'm Catherine Kurtz, Project Director of the Birch Project, which is the Behavioral Health Integrated Resources for Children project, a collaboration between UMass Amherst and UMass Boston School Psychology, with the main project goals of understanding the current school-based behavioral health landscape in Massachusetts, identifying gaps, and making plans to address those gaps. We've recently received funding in the state budget to continue the development and rollout of a statewide school-based behavioral health technical assistance center. So the development of comprehensive school behavioral health systems are informed by both school and community voices and expertise. We look forward to continuing to scale up and add more districts and working with the community to support districts in building readiness for implementation of school mental health systems.
Queenette Santos, VP of Youth and Teen Programming for the Boys and Girls Clubs of Dorchester. Our collaboration with UMass Boston is very critical to the work that's being done in our community to support our youth and their families regarding education. We have an elementary school, a middle school, a high school, and also the most amazing university on the peninsula, UMass Boston. When it comes to working on the education quarter, the Boys and Girls Club and UMass Boston, along with many other agencies, celebrate every year in October to share resources from UMass Boston and other agencies that will support members of our community.
My name is Rosalind Negron. I'm an associate professor of anthropology at UMass Boston and also research director for the Sustainable Solutions Lab, which is an applied research institute that's focused on protecting communities as the climate changes, with a particular focus on communities vulnerable to climate change due to social, economic, and political inequality. And an example of an exciting partnership was with the Mattapan Food and Fitness Coalition. So this is an organization that reached out to the Sustainable Solutions Lab on issues of transportation and biking, which of course has connections to the environment, but also to public health. MFC wanted to better understand how to advocate for the community on policies related to transportation and biking. It started out with Professor Antonio Riccitti, who had his urban planning class do a research project on behalf of the organization. And then my course with the Critical Ethnic Community Studies program continued this research, doing interview surveys in order to assist the organization in formulating ways to address policy issues around transportation and biking.